Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another video. If you are new, my name is Lindsay. I am a homemaking Christian mama here on YouTube. I just hit 1,000 subscribers, so thank you for subscribing. And if you're new, I would love for you to be a part of my YouTube family and press that like button if you want more kind of cleaning lifestyle kind of videos here. I usually do vlogs or routines, but I wanted to do a little refrigerator refresh today because we plan to go to Costco. And if you know, when you go to Costco, you buy things in bulk and you get a lot of things. And I need to clear out this fridge, and while I'm clearing it out, I'm gonna wipe it down, clean it, make it look all sparkly, if you do say so. So anyway, let's go ahead and get started. I'm gonna show you an overview of my fridge and kind of explain my process on what I'm going to do, so that way I can encourage you, motivate you to do the same at your house. So we got a cup of coffee because that's much needed. So go ahead, pour yourself a coffee, and let's do the intro and let's get started. Okay, so this is my fridge. I just have the Samsung fridge. The ice maker doesn't work, so don't recommend this fridge. I also have these really cute Valentine's Day cards that I gave to Turner and Turner gave to me. And it's funny, we actually bought the same Valentine's Day card for each other, and then I went back and got him a different one, but literally we bought each other the same card, so I thought that was funny. So anyway, you open the fridge. So as you can see, it needs a good wipe down. So my process is I'm going to go through my refrigerator. Anything that I don't want is going to go in the trash. Anything that I do want is going to go on the counter. And then once I get everything out of the fridge, separated by what I want and what's trash, I'm going to take my thieves cleaner here. And this is a really good all-purpose cleaner. You can get it from Young Living. I've been doing Young Living for like 4.5, 5 years at this point, and that's all I clean with is thieves cleaner. It's just a cap full of the concentrate with 16 ounces of water. It cleans everything: showers, toilets, sinks, fridges, any surface, toys, tables, anyway. So I'm going to wipe everything down, and I'm also going to do it with thieves cleaner, but I'm also going to get a hot wash rag too with thieves cleaner, because I'm going to get that grime off. Because there's a couple sticky things like wine spilling, protein shake spilling, and strawberry juice leaking. It needs a good refresh. So let's go ahead and separate it by what I'm going to keep on the counter and what I'm going to throw in the trash.